Hey, I'm Denis Cherevichnik, and I'll show you how to handle the French-Spanish Navaja with a French style, so-called canne-force slip joint. Actually, that's a great invention. Love it, love this slip joint. It has a lot of features, useful features and advantages, but first of all, you have to know how to handle it properly. So, the main difference between the regular slip joint and the canne-force is a style of closing it. I'll show you. The spring, please note, the spring is extremely strong because in 19th century that was dwelling and fighting knife. So that's not decorative, not gentleman knife. So the spring is very, very strong, almost like a regular backlock. So first of all, you have to literally break the blade. Please don't put your fingers on the cutting edge. Never do it. So that's how you have to keep the blade. With the left hand, and keep the butt of the knife with the right hand for the longer lever. Then you have to break it with both hands. And then, see, there is no slamming shut. It's safe. To open it, again, don't put your fingers, don't forget about it, please, don't forget about it. Don't put your fingers on the cutting edge. Or you can do the same while folding the navaja. You can just tuck the butt to your hip on the sides, on the right side, for the better lever, for the longer lever. And then you can break it and close it. Just listen to this beautiful sound, like a lockback. Anyway, don't keep your fingers against the cutting edge on the handle. Do it this way, if you don't want to lose your fingers. Just in case, just to be sure. Open, break and close and fold it. That's all.